In this video we will cover some maintenance tips.
Okay, we've now finished with this painting our job. So all you have to do now is to remove the airbrush, the jar from the airbrush itself, and empty this out. You need to wash the bowl out clean. In this case it will be with water because it's an acrylic based paint. And then you need to put it back onto the gun and make sure that you draw water through the whole gun and spray water out through the nozzle. If you leave it like so and it starts to go hard, it will start and clog up the nozzle, and also the nozzle in the end of the airbrush will also be blocked. So it's important as soon as you've finished to make sure you clean out the jar completely and then fill it with water and do the same, pass it through the nozzle of the airbrush itself. Just a couple of other things. We've done a little bit of painting here now, and I mentioned earlier on that this little bowl here may fill up with water, and you can see it's got a bit of a mist in there. There's not very much water at all, but if you continue to use it then for a longer period of time, and depending on the amount of moisture in the air, then it needs to be emptied, and it's only a matter of just pushing upwards like so, and the compressed air itself will blast any water out that's in there. Okay. On the back of the unit is the air inlet for the motor. Just make sure that that's kept clear. Don't use it up against something like so. Make sure that it's got a clear path of air so that it keeps the motor reasonably cool. The compressor itself has to draw air in, and there is a filter. This is the point here. There's 3 little holes down here which the air passes through, and it's only a matter of just popping a screwdriver on the edge there and taking the cover off, and underneath is a filter pad which can come out and can be washed in clean soapy water. When you pop it back, just make sure it's dry like so, and just replace the cap like so. Okay.